about how important in the sketch mode using the mirror command is? Well, let's get a little crazy and discuss how you can mirror features, which is definitely important, super important, and it's a super time saver. So let's give this an extrusion. Okay, let's we're gonna create a new plane on here. I'm gonna left click and hold down my control button and give it a vertical relation just so it looks decent. Dimension this to 1 inch and left click on that, hold my control button down, left click on the circle, not the center point, make them all equal. Let's give it a little, let's spread them out a little bit. Okay, we're going to go into features and give it an extrusion. Let's take a look at it. Let's dial it down to 1. Click OK. And I don't like looking at it like this, so I'm going to go normal 2. I want to change it to a top view. Go isometric. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we want to mirror these features over to the other side. Now we're going to combine what we learned on our last video about creating a sketch plane. Go into surfaces, select plane. Alright, let's go into our top view and let's type in a value of 100. That sounds good. Go back there to isometric, select here, create a plane, and I just like to open these up a little bit. Okay, it's not doing anything for us. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to left click on the text, left click again, and call this guy midpoint. Midpoint. Click OK. Alright, now you may not have the mirror icon right here. So if you don't, right click somewhere empty on the toolbar. It'll bring this guy up. Select Customize. Go to Commands, Features, and you're going to find it in here. Okay? If you hover over it, it'll give you an idea with the tooltips what it is. So find this mirror icon, left click and drag it up there, and you'll be all set. Alright? But I have it, so I'm going to invoke the mirror command, and it's going to ask me what face or plane do I want to mirror. Well, I want to use the one that I just had. I can select it here, or I can expand my feature tree and select it here. It's going to ask me about the features that I want to select, and those features were created with extrusion 2. I'm going to select that, and voila, it's that easy. Okay, if you're in surfaces, you can use faces and bodies, but for our exercise, we're all set. We've selected our mid plane, and we've selected our geometry. It gives us a nice little preview of what it's going to look like. We select OK, and there you go. I'm going to left click on this guy, choose my glasses to hide it, and there you go. That's mirroring your geometry at the feature level. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's real powerful. We'll see you on the